If a student is striving and struggling to pass his examination, in Arabic we'll say he's doing jihad. So jihad basically means to strive and struggle. Most of the people think, whether Muslims or non-Muslims, they think that jihad can only be done by Muslims. A non-Muslim cannot do jihad. Allah says in the Quran, in a couple of verses, in a couple of places in the Quran, that even non-Muslims did jihad. Allah says in Surah Luqman, chapter number 31, verse number 14, we have enjoined on the human beings to be kind to the parents. In travail over travail did the mother bore you, and in years twain was your weaning. The next verse, Surah Luqman, chapter number 31, verse number 15 says, but if your parents do jihad, strive and struggle to make you worship somebody else besides Allah, of which you have no knowledge, do not follow them, but live with them with love and companionship. Here Allah is saying, is talking about non-Muslim parents doing jihad, somebody else besides Allah. So here Allah uses the word in the Quran as jihad, that non-Muslim parents are doing jihad, struggling and striving to make their children worship somebody else besides Allah. A similar message is repeated in Surah Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 8. We have enjoined on human beings to be good to their parents. But if your parents strive and struggle, do jihad, to make you worship somebody besides Allah, do not obey them. Here again the message is repeated in Surah Ankabut, chapter number 29, verse number 8. Allah is talking about non-Muslim parents doing jihad, striving and struggling to make the children worship somebody else besides Allah. The word jihad is used. Here, the jihad done by the non-Muslims is jihad fi sabi shaitan. Jihad in the name of shaitan, Satan. That means they're striving and struggling to please the Satan. What we Muslims do is jihad fi sabilillah. Jihad, striving and struggling in the way of Allah. Now whenever jihad is used, unless otherwise the context speaks something else, it is understood it is jihad fi sabilillah, striving and struggling in the way of Allah. Unless the context speaks something else, like in Surah Luqman chapter 31 verse number 14-15, or Surah Ankabut chapter 29 verse number 8.